For more than 10 years, Overland Total Logistic Group has undertaken cross-border missions, delivering high-valued and diverse cargoes to many destinations in Asia. What you are about to see is a 6,070-kilometer journey of a convoy of air suspension cargo trucks traversing from south to north across 6 countries: Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, and China. How does Overland Total Logistic Group successfully do it over and over again, passing through 6 custom checkpoints in 144 hours, all within a week? This is Singapore, one of the Asian tigers, an economic powerhouse. This is where our mission begins. While the trucks are on the road, our 24-hour Operation Command Center starts monitoring the progress of the trip. This is to ensure the safety of the cargo throughout the journey. In a short distance, our trucks pass the Singapore customs and enter Malaysia. After customs declaration is processed by the experienced forwarding staff, the trucks travel north. They travel about 900 kilometers. It takes about 12 hours to reach Bukit Kayu Hitam, the border crossing between Malaysia and Thailand. To enter Thailand, the containers are low onto Thai-registered air suspension trucks, following the local regulations. The next destination is a checkpoint at Mukdahan, whereby the trucks will travel 1,700 kilometers in 28 hours. It's a non-stop journey. The trucks pass by many small towns and villages. But to ensure the security of the goods, they are cautious and only stop at selected rest stations for meals. Back in the office, the progress is monitored 24 hours at our command center. Customers can check the real-time position of trucks anywhere, anytime via the state-of-the-art online GPS fleet monitoring system. An emergency alert can be triggered by our command system through SMS command in the event of a hijack attempt. To enhance the security aspect, we have integrated high-security features such as CCTV cameras and e-lock with GPS for all our integrated logistic services. Customers can check the real-time scene and the status of e-lock through our GPS monitoring systems. Once the containers arrive at the designated location, Overland Total Logistics Services authorized personnel will remotely activate or deactivate the e-lock system through a password-protected SMS command or using a 2D, 3D barcode scanner. The trucks reach Mukdahan, the border town of Thailand and Laos. Our Laosian staff process the customs declaration efficiently for entry on the same day. The containers are again low onto trucks designated for the Laos-Vietnam route without tampering with the cargo. They are on the way to the next destination, Dansavan. about 240 kilometers away, which will be covered in a 4-hour journey. From Singapore to Malaysia, then Thailand to Laos, and Laos to Vietnam. When traversing the different countries, 2 specially trained and well-disciplined drivers from the respective countries are assigned for the journey. All local drivers master the routing. They only stop at designated rest points. The Laos-Vietnam journey takes 20 hours. Traversing 830 kilometers until the Vietnam-China border at a town called Hong Hy. Customs declaration can be a complicated process, but Overland Total Logistic Group staff at the site offices of each location ensure a smooth process. The customs declaration here takes about 4 hours. Entering China, containers are low-load to China-registered vehicles. A proper cargo handling system is used to ensure the safety of the goods. These air suspension trucks will continue the journey from Pinxiang to the final destination, Kunshan. In the land of the dragon, we travel 2,400 kilometers or a journey of about 46 hours. There are some scheduled breaks at designated stops throughout the journey on a smooth highway until we reach the Kunshan warehouse safely. We have traveled 6,070 kilometers on the road, spent 144 hours in the journey. Traversing 6 countries from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam and China on a mission to deliver our customers valuable cargoes within the shortest time in the safest way to the intended destinations. So how does Overland Total Logistic Group successfully do it over and over again? It's all in the 24/7 support from the dedicated and experienced teams in respective countries. The reliable fleet of air suspension vehicles. The high security features integration such as e-lock and CCTV cameras with GPS fleet online monitoring for all our integrated logistic services. The efficient cargo handling system in managing our customers' high-valued and diverse cargo. And the strong cross-border network we have developed over the years to master the local complicated customs declaration system. On top of this, we provide door-to-door logistics services to Shenzhen and Hong Kong. In 2012, Overland Total Logistic Group is accredited with TAPA Asia's TSR and FSR certificates. We continue to further intensify our focus on research and development R&D, engaging new technology and quality management system to establish ourselves as a market leader in the industry. It is the mission of Overland Total Logistic Group to go the extra mile for all our valued customers, yet at the most competitive price.